Welcome to a new episode of Shadowing Pills, the place where you practice while learning fascinating ideas. Today's episode is Daily Habits That Will Improve Your English. Shadow every line with me. Let's begin. Improving your English does not require hours of studying. It requires simple habits. Small actions you repeat every day. These habits train your ear, they strengthen your memory, and they make speaking feel natural. Habit number 1. Listen to English daily. Not just once in a while. Not only when you feel motivated, but every single day. Even 10 minutes can make a difference. Listen to podcasts, watch short videos, or repeat a shadowing pill. Your brain learns language through repetition. Habit number 2. Shadow what you hear. Shadowing is powerful. It improves pronunciation. It improves rhythm. It improves clarity. When you shadow, you are training your mouth to move faster. You are teaching your brain to process English in real time, and you are reducing the fear of speaking. Habit number 3. Speak out loud. Speak even if nobody is listening. Speak even if you feel shy. Speak even if you make mistakes. The more you speak, the more confident you become, and confidence is the key to fluency. Tell yourself a story. Describe your day. Repeat a sentence you heard. Just keep speaking. Habit number 4. Read a little every day. You don't need long books. You don't need complex vocabulary. Short articles are enough. Reading strengthens your vocabulary. It teaches you natural expressions, and it exposes you to better sentence structure. Read slowly, read out loud, and read consistently. Habit number 5. Write one small paragraph a day. Writing forces you to think. It slows down your thoughts. It helps you organize ideas, and it shows you where your gaps are. You can write about anything, your plans, your goals, or something that happened today. Keep it simple, keep it short, but write it daily. Habit number 6. Practice active attention. Don't just listen. Pay attention to pronunciation. Pay attention to stress. Pay attention to how phrases connect. Your ear becomes sharper with practice, and a sharp ear makes speaking easier. Habit number 7. Learn phrases, not individual words. Words alone are hard to remember, but phrases stay in your memory because they have meaning, because they connect ideas, and because they reflect real communication. Learn phrases like, "I'm not sure, but I think. Can you repeat that, please? Let me check." These small expressions make you sound natural. Habit number 8. Celebrate small wins. Fluency takes time. Progress can feel slow, but every sentence you understand is a win. Every new phrase you use is a win. Every moment of practice is a win. Be patient, be consistent, and keep moving forward. Habit number 9. Immerse yourself in English. Change your phone to English. Change your apps to English. Search on Google in English. Think in English when possible. Immersion trains your brain to switch languages automatically, and automatic thinking leads to fluency. Habit number 10. Repeat what works. If listening helps you, listen more. If shadowing helps you, shadow more. If reading helps you, read more. Don't follow a perfect routine. Follow a sustainable routine. A routine you can keep every day. That is how real progress happens. At the end of the day, fluency is a result of consistency. Small habits create big changes. You don't need talent. You don't need perfection. You need practice. Daily practice. Calm practice. Focused practice. Practice that becomes part of your lifestyle. So build these habits. Use English every day, speak every day, listen every day, and trust the process. Your English will improve, your confidence will grow, and you will become the speaker you want to be. And that was the topic for this shadowing pill. Subscribe and turn on notifications to receive your next shadowing dose. See you next time.